Hello guys, welcome to Hot Rocket once again. Here you can see I have opened Google Wallet website as it is not available for my app store. That's why I'm using here on my laptop. But don't worry, I will tell you all the information of Google Wallet, and it will be definitely worth it. So you are going out, and instead of carrying your physical wallet full of cards, tickets, and passes, everything is already inside your phone. That exactly what Google Wallet does. It is basically digital wallet where you can store all your important things like your debit card, credit card, board passes, events, tickets, and even loyalty cards in one place. Like here you can see these cards, it's showing up here. Trip transit, concert tickets, Jelas, bucket. Obviously, this is different for every country. Uh, so now you might be thinking, okay, but how does it actually work? It is very simple. Um, you just add your cards or tickets into Google Wallet, and it will look like this in your Google Wallet. And once it's added, your phone becomes your wallet. If you are in a store that supports contactless payment, just unlock your phone, tap it on the machine, and boom, payment is done. It is that simple. No need to take out your card, no need to enter details again and again. But here is something important if you are from India. In India, Google Wallet is mostly used to store passes, tickets, and cards. Not for UPI payments. For actually payments, we use Google Pay. So think of it like Google Wallet means storage of cards, tickets, passes, and Google Pay means for the payment or UPI transactions, you can say. Now let's talk about what you can actually store inside Google Wallet. You can store things like your debit card, credit cards, flight boarding passes, then movie or event tickets, or you can also save your train or metro passes, shopping loyalty cards, and if you are going to watch any match, then you can also use that cards or tickets. So yeah, basically anything you usually keep in your physical wallet. Now you might wonder, is it safe? So yes, it is actually very secure. Google Wallet does not share your real card number um, when you pay. Instead, it uses something called tokenization. So your actual card details will be hidden. Plus, your phone needs to be unlocked using PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock before anything can be used. So even if you lose your phone, your data is still be protected. So instead of searching for your printed boarding pass, you just open Google Wallet. Your boarding pass is already there. You show it, and you are done in second. Same thing with movie tickets or metro passes. Everything becomes faster and more convenient. So definitely, Google Wallet is all about convenience and organizations plus security. It removes the need to carry physical items and keeps everything neatly stored in your phone. So yeah, that's the video about Google Wallet. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.